Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to guys Ansari English Club. Azia Ansari English Club ar pokko tu ay ar 500 connector loy hazroi. Ek connector hode hin e jinish dinne ki 500 dilam to iner hode connector. Endra ara thai connector gun shuru kori. Number 1, now and then. Now and then hode occasionally মানে atikya sometimes. Onala tu dire atikya hen however doile now and then ibe istamal gori feriba occasionally sometimes in istamal noguri now and then connector in onala istamal gori feriba hen dola sai ara now and then manelle adikya ara tortu sentence bane sentence mari gun sai he comes here now and then hite ede atkudikya aye he comes here hite ede aye now and then atikudikya. Number 2, and in a smoke, and in a smoke mani fails on Tolto sai handle ara sentence he ended in a smoke in the exam last year. Hite goto bosorer exam made hite fail giye en hoddi. And in a smoke mane fail zone. Number 3, far and near. Far and near mane holle harakan sagat. Everywhere honest onoguri far and near astonoguri feriba connector. Handle tolto sentence sai I looked for him far and near in the market. Ahitare market made har zaga wadaga twice ai. Ahitar market made 40 zaga twice ai. Henoddi. Far and near money 40 kan zaga. Number 4, in bulk money fashion style. This shirt is in bulk. I want to buy it. A bazwade bishi shundora bishi style fashion. Atu ibe kinto mano horen hoddo. Fashion style fashion daga mada another fashion istamal gocho no hoddole in bulk connector. What ibe istamal gori feriba. In bulk mane fashion shundor. Atu badibe shundor la dador badibe shundor dadala boli atu ibe kinto mano horen hodde. Number 5, irony of fate by bad luck. Irony of fate mane holle kusat nosif haraf bad luck unfortunately hendi feriba onara to immediate customer onara to dire ek connect customer gora hordoile irony of fate hoy dia furibo hendra sai tolote answer gan sentence gan he couldn't get a job by irony of fate hite bagyo haraf hite kada job no fa angode he couldn't get he did no fa a job by irony of fate bagyo haraf hite kan kinafa job no fa hen hodde asha gori onara ar lesson iba budi fejjo. So please subscribe my channel and hit the bell icon to get more videos and share more and more. Thank you.